Once you've done your analysis and you're ready to share this report with others, you want to make sure it looks good. You want to make sure the charts are aligned and everything is around the same size, or at least correctly proportional to each other. And so we have a great feature called Gridlines in Snap to Grid that lets you quickly be able to make your report look really nice. So under the View tab, you'll see two options. One's just to show and hide the grid line specifically, and then the other option actually snaps the different charts and objects on your report to that grid line. So by turning these both on, I can quickly align my charts to the different grid lines that are existing on this report. And I can make sure that all of my charts are around the same size and evenly distributed across the report. So like, for example, this gauge is obviously way too big. I'm able to, just by dragging and snapping to the report's grid lines, I can quickly and easily make a report that looks much better. And then once I'm ready to share, I can just turn those off and have a nicely proportioned and aligned report.